Hello students, let us continue chapter 4 heat. In the previous class we discussed about temperature and clinical thermometer. Today we will be discussing about reading a thermometer, but before that let us discuss about the precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic. Ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. See figure 4.3. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. So, these are the precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. You should always follow precaution while using the clinical thermometer. These are: wash the thermometer before and after use, and it should be washed with an antiseptic solution. Before using the thermometer to measure body temperature, make sure that the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. As shown in figure 4.3, keep the level of mercury along the line of sight while reading the thermometer. Since the thermometer is made of glass, it can break easily, so it must be handled with care. If the thermometer falls down or if it hits some hard object, it will break. Lastly, do not hold the bulb of the thermometer with your hand while reading the scale, because the bulb contains mercury in it and you may not get the correct reading when you hold the bulb. Next, let us discuss reading the thermometer. Let us learn how to read a thermometer. Firstly, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Also note down the number of divisions shown by smaller marks between these marks. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, then one small division can read 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.2 degrees Celsius. Wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Now, place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature. The temperature should always be stated with its unit, degree Celsius. Firstly, you have to note the temperature difference indicated between the two big marks on the scale and note the number of divisions that are shown by the smaller marks. For example, if the bigger mark is at 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, अगर बिगर मार्क जो है वो रीड कर रहा है 1 डिग्री और बिटवीन में बीच में 5 डिविजन्स है, ठीक है, देयर आर 5 डिविजन्स, then one small division can read 1 by 5 which is equal to 0.2 degree Celsius. जब हम लोग 1 by 5 को कैलकुलेट करेंगे then it will be equal to 0.2. So since we are reading the temperature, it will be in degree Celsius. Now, before using the thermometer, wash it with an antiseptic solution. Before reading the temperature, hold the thermometer firmly and give it a few jerks. यानी कि थर्मोमीटर को टाइटली पकड़कर उसे झटका देना है. ऐसे करने से जो मर्क्यूरी का लेवल है वो नीचे आ जाएगा and it will reach below 35 degrees Celsius. We have to make sure that this happens. After it has reached below 35 degrees Celsius, place the thermometer under your tongue. Do not touch the bulb of the thermometer with your hand before putting it in your mouth. Keep the thermometer straight and hold it with care or else it will break. Take out the thermometer from your mouth after 1 minute and note the reading. The reading of thermometer is your body temperature. What did you record as your body temperature? The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Note that the temperature is stated with its unit. Paheli measured her body temperature. She got worried as it was not exactly 37 degrees Celsius. Now, as I told you before, when you measure your body temperature with a clinical thermometer, the reading you get is the temperature of your body. So, while stating the body temperature, you should write its unit with it. What is its unit? It is degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is the unit of temperature. The normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but it can be anywhere between 36 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius. Let us find out this using an activity. Activity 4.3. Measure the body temperature of some of your friends, at least 10, with a clinical thermometer. Record your observations as in table 4.2. Is the body temperature of every person 37 degrees Celsius? The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call the normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons. For this activity, you have to measure the body temperature of 10 of your friends with a clinical thermometer and record the observations in the table given. After you do that, you can observe that the body temperature of all your friends is not 37 degrees Celsius. Some of their body temperature would be slightly higher, while that of others may be slightly lower. What we call normal temperature or normal body temperature is actually the average body temperature of large number of healthy people. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. That is the reason that this thermometer has the range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The range of the temperature of human body does not go below 35 degrees Celsius और above 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ह्यूमन बॉडी का जो टेम्परेचर है वो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस से कम नहीं होता है और ना ही 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस से बढ़ता है. और क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर जो है वो डिज़ाइन ही इसीलिए किया था फॉर मेजरिंग ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर ओनली. दैट इज़ वाई द रेंज ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर इज़ फ्रॉम 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Caution: do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body. Also avoid keeping the thermometer in the sun or near a flame. It may break. So whenever you are using a clinical thermometer, you should only use it for measuring the body temperature. You should not use it for measuring the temperature of any other object, because when you do it, you may damage the clinical thermometer because its range is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So it should only be used for checking or measuring human body temperature. Also, you should avoid keeping the thermometer in the sun or near a flame. ऐसे जगह पे नहीं रखना है जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर काफ़ी हाई होता है. ऐसे करने से द क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर में ब्रेक.